Hey traders, welcome to my channel. This is Karthik here. Let's see the pre-market analysis for tomorrow's market and what are the logic behind analysis. Starting with Nifty 50, it is in 15 minutes time frame. Today the market opened flat and just moved sideways here. So totally the expiry was a sideways expiry today. So it has formed a falling wedge kind of pattern here. The falling wedge pattern is actually a bullish pattern. So once when the market crosses above the price of 16,650, we'll be looking for a buying opportunity and we'll be setting our target as 16,700, which is all-time high. So this is a very good resistance area. So 16,700 will be our targets. So from here 16,650 to 16,700 will be adding just minimum quantity. We'll be trading with minimum quantity, and once when the market crosses above 16,700 and sustains about that price level, we will be adding some more quantities and we'll be catching the uptrend from there. So we'll be looking for selling once when the market crosses below the price of 16,580, and here also we'll be adding just minimum quantity because this is a kind of sideways zone. So once in the market crosses 16,580, we'll be looking for a selling and our target will be 16,535, and once when the market crosses 16,520 and sustains below it, we'll be adding some more quantity on the selling side. So once when this price level gets break, there would be some selling pressure and our targets will be 16,475 and 16,450. So this is for Nifty 50. Now let's move to Nifty Bank. So here we'll be looking for a buying once when the price crosses above the price of 35,780. We could be looking for buying once when the Bank Nifty crosses the price of 35,780, and we'll be moving for a selling once when the price breaks below the 35,500 price level. So if the market opens flat or little gap up, we'll be waiting for the price to reach the 35,780 price level to buy. So vice versa for selling. Our next stock is Infosys. So Infosys was in a sideways area for the last few days. I think from 17th August, the market was in a sideways. So this will be acting as a good support area, which is around the price of 1,717 to 1,721. So this is a support zone. So the market has reached today that price level, and tomorrow if the market opens flat and forms a bullish candle in a 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame, just wait for a 15 minutes time frame or the confirmation. If a bullish candle has formed, we will be going for a buying because we will be getting a minimum stop loss here. So go for a buying, and our first targets will be 1,730, and this area the market has lot of time made a sideways. So once when the price crosses above 1,738, we will be looking for some more buying momentum towards 1,747, 1,750 on the buying side, and we'll be going for selling once when the price crosses below 1,713 and sustains below it. We'll be going for a selling, and our target will be 1,700. Our next stock is TCS. Let me change into 1-day time frame. So it is called as a wedge pattern. Here the TCS gave a good breakout and has moved higher from the date of 13th August. Yeah. So it is in 1-day time frame. So let us see, is there any other opportunity to catch the trend? This is Fibonacci retracement. So here 38.2 is the good support level using the Fibonacci retracement. So it is around the price of 3,500. In 1-day time frame, the TCS has formed a doji candle pattern. Let me change into 15 minutes time frame. So in 15 minutes time frame, today the market has moved sideways. That is what shown as a doji candle in a 1-day time frame. So we could be go for a buying once when the market crosses above 3,678 price level. We will be looking for a buying. Go with a 1:2 risk reward ratio because it will be a new high. So we'll be go for a selling just when the price breaks below 3,647 level. But instead of selling, we'll be waiting for the retracement. As I mentioned, that 3,500 is a very good support level using Fibonacci retracement. So once in the market reaches the price of 3,500, we'll be looking for another buying opportunity. So if the trend has to continue, it has to break the price of 3,680 on the upper side. And this is Maruti. We have discussed before, I think 3 or 4 videos before, we discussed about the Nifty auto stocks. The Nifty auto stocks is looking bearish, and we also discussed about the Maruti Suzuki and Hero MotoCorp. So once we have discussed, the market was in a bearish side. We could see that huge 2 red candles here. So the market is now almost nearby the support area. This was acting as a very good support. It is in 1 day time frame. We could see that the market has recovered from this price zone whenever it hit this price. So from the price of 6,396 to 6,559, this zone is a very good support zone. If we get any bullish candle tomorrow, we could go for a buying in 5 minutes time frame or 15 minutes time frame. If we get any bullish candle kind of pattern, we could go for a buying. Instead of going intraday, I suggest you to go for a position in Maruti Suzuki because it is almost near the support area. So once we get a 1 day time frame candle confirmations on bullish side, we could go for a position or swing trades according to it's your mindset. So we'll be getting a good reward once when the market is a support and forms a bullish candle. So our rewards will be towards 6,989 and 7,240. So it will be a very good risk reward ratio on the buying side. And our next stock is Hindustan Unilever. It is in 1 day time frame. It has given a breakout here. Now let us do the Fibonacci retracement. So here 38.2 level is 2,550. So this is nothing but the previous resistance area. So here the market gave a breakout, and let us look if the market is retesting the breakout, which is if the market is the price of 2,550 or just nearby it, we could look for another buying opportunity. So from here we could take our swing or positional trades on the buying side. This is all the pre-market analysis for tomorrow's market. Hope you have liked the video, and all these screenshots have been shared in my Telegram channel, and the Telegram channel link has been in the descriptions. Have a happy trading tomorrow. Thank you.